Yo, 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 Starblade, or Starlings. This is Luna Starblade. Hello. Anyway, my mom was cleaning out her room so she can put her new little jewelry box. I cannot say that it's little, but more like it's like gigantic. But while we were cleaning, we cleaned up my mom's old sewing machine that my dad got her many eons ago, or just many years ago. I was really little. And my mom also bought this. It's
many years ago.
Yeah.
Oh no, I got it for $15, not $25.
Oh. She got this for $15, but this is an antique. If any of you guys know how much this is worth, we'd really like to know. Please share your thoughts in the comments. This thing needs a lot of work and like a little bit of oil.
It doesn't need any work. It just needs some thread and some oil, and it works just fine. Thank you very much. We dinosaurs tend to work pretty freaking well. All right, I'm gonna put it away.
Yeah, and guys, check this out. It actually flips up, and you can actually store it. Back in those times, it was pretty cool.
Yes. Things were much simpler back then without all the fancy schmancy technology.
Oh man, I'm making fun of my mom so much. And see, that's how you put it away. And this thing is really old. My mom says if she can get this entire thing cleaned off, I can use her sewing machine more. Anyway, Starlings, that's all that I have here for our video, and I'll see you guys next time. Luna Starblade, over and out.